Hi. So if you're planning on selling your home this year, you're probably weighing out a couple options. Do you sell it as is, no repairs, no hassle, or do you fix it up a bit and get top dollar? Well, inventory is rising. Realtor.com forecasts nearly a 9% increase in homes for sale this year. More homes mean buyers are going to be pickier, and a home's conditions really matters more. And I will tell you from experience that some buyers don't even want to screw in a light bulb. They want it move in ready. So, about 65% of sellers made minor repairs on their home before listing, while only 35% sold as is. Now, selling as is can be easier, but it limits your buyer pool and may lower your final price. Move in ready homes attract more buyers, better offers, and they sell faster. And there is no one size fits all answer for doing the repairs. It really depends on your home, your timeline, and the market you're in. Now, working with the right agent helps you decide whether to sell as is or make key repairs to maximize your value. So, if making repairs is a better play, I'll help you focus on only what actually matters to buyers and not over improving and wasting your money. Selling as is can still work in certain situations, but in today's market, it can cost you if it's not the right strategy. If you'd like to have help weighing your options, let's have a quick conversation about your home and what makes the most sense for you. Take care.